So Rokus are really cool devices. They basically allow you to stream a bunch of stuff from your, box to your TV. And even if you don't have a smart TV, you can still actually go through and you can essentially still like plug and play with your box. You can, use it whichever way you want to, and it basically makes your TV into a smart TV, which is really cool. If you're brand new to Rokus, I'll give you a really quick breakdown on exactly how to use your Roku. Now, your Roku comes with the box itself and the remote. So you get both the remote, which is mine looks so crusty, but you get the remote and you get the Roku box, usually built inside. So with the box itself, you're essentially getting nothing at the very top. It depends on which box you get, and even if you get the stick, it's kind of the same layout. You basically get the side with maybe a USB port. You get the back side, which has an HDMI port, an Ethernet, and an AC adapter. Sometimes they may not come with an Ethernet port, but they'll usually have some sort of HDMI port or cord you can plug in, and then the power adapter too. With the remote, it's nothing crazy. This is a standard looking remote, so it's a pretty basic kind of thing when it comes down to it. I'm so crusty, I do apologize. You have the power button at the very top, the back button, the home button, the up and down OK button that allows you to navigate it, the game button if you want to open up the game controls, your different modes here, sync, stop, play. Then you also have Netflix, Amazon, RDIO, and then MGO quick buttons. I don't know what these are, but I know what these are. So you can quickly hop into an app if you want to click on those. So the setup of your Roku box is also pretty basic. So what you can start off by doing is plugging in the AC adapter to the AC adapter hole that's available right there. So plug in the AC adapter hole right there inside of your power adapter, and then you also have this HDMI cord. So what you want to do is you want to go and grab this particular cord right here, and you want to go ahead and plug that cord in right here. So then what you want to do is you want to plug in the other side into a power outlet, and you want to plug in the HDMI cord into your screen or TV or whatever else you have. So once that's all plugged in, you're pretty much good to go. So now we've connected our Roku to our screen and everything like that. I have my other remote here, which will allow me to control it. So you can control it just by clicking up and down on the Roku remote, just like this. Now there's a lot of different categories here you can basically choose from. So I can click on the up and down, button if I want to click on live TV, sports, featured free options, what to watch, daily trivia, streaming store, search, my offers, and settings. Now each tab will give you a lot of different things. Under the home tab, you can basically go through and you can, if you want to get into the next page, you can click here on this other arrow to get into this box. So these are all the different applications that you currently have inside of your Roku. So you can go through, and if you want to, you can find the specific one that, speaks out to you. So if you want, you can go through and kind of choose whichever type of, application speaks out to you. If you want to open up YouTube, click on YouTube, HBO Max, Showtime, whatever you want, you can choose whichever one you want, and it is a really cool thing. Now going back, the same thing goes with all these other ones. If there's a specific page that you like more, you can click on that, you can modify it, and you can basically go from there. Now beyond these ones, the streaming store is a really cool app because it allows you to go ahead and download other applications, get other things inside of your device. If there's any new apps that come out, you can kind of see them here and you can kind of download them and use them inside of your other page too, which is actually really cool. And as always, if you want to go back, you can either keep going back this way or you can click on the back button right here to go back. So most remotes have this back button. You can click on back to get back into this page. Now if you click on settings, what this page will allow you to do is it'll allow you to go ahead and basically change your settings within your Roku box. So you can go through if you want to change your network settings, your remotes and devices, whatever other options here too. If there's any themes that you want to change, you can go through here and you can change all these options right here. So you do have that type of capability. It really is a really nice thing. So you can kind of change over here and you can change whatever other options you have here too. So it really is like a really basic thing in and of itself as well. So that's kind of the main way to go and use your Roku. It's a pretty basic device. There's not really anything super crazy. If you ever get confused, you can always click on the home button right up here to go and change it. As always, you have other buttons here. You have the volume up and down button on the side, and you can change your batteries out in your remote here too. But that's basically how you do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.